Hi, welcome to Harbor Crossings. Today we want to show you 14 Hempson, and we want to show you because it's this gorgeous blue day, blue sky day. This house is magnificent. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. You get this two-car concrete driveway. You've got a beautiful little walkway to a patio, and you've got a little shed area. Come on in and let's look at the house. I have these little flyers here that tells you more about the house. If I'm not here, just pick one up. We have lush landscaping on the outside, a beautiful Anderson storm door. This 6-panel front door, I think it's stainless steel. What do you think about this fabulous living room? This is 784 square feet. It's only $59,000. Gorgeous little windows. People love the little arches on the top. Come on into the kitchen. This kitchen is the cappuccino dark chocolate look. Really pretty. And it's got the 3 appliance package. First, you've got this amazing double sink stainless steel little spout here for you. You've got your dishwasher. You've got your stove and oven, and then you've got your refrigerator. Brand new, everything's brand new. Never been used. You've got your chandelier here. You could put your little dinette set, dining room set, lots of room, really wide. Beautiful cathedral ceiling. Come on back and I'll show you the bedrooms. It's nice and carpeted, really quiet back here. We've got your air conditioner and furnace, hot air furnace running through the same furnace system. So in here you've got a beautiful little area for your desk, computer, whatever you're doing. We've got this amazing little pocket door. It's a great little feature. Makes this great little room not tight on space. Makes very useful space use. So then over here you've got your area for your washer and dryer and lots of cabinet space above. Take a look at this bathroom. It's so magnificent. You've got your 1-piece fiberglass bathtub, relaxing after a hard day of work or golfing or whatever you do now that you're retired. And behind the sink is a medicine cabinet, mirrored medicine cabinet. And now we've got your favorite room. This is relaxation in ecstasy. So quiet, so tranquil, really lovely. This fits our queen size staged bed, but you could probably fit my gosh, anything in here. This is just wonderful. We put the nightstand, staged it on either side. Then you've got 2 doors. You could do his and hers if you care to. It's all one closet, and we've got all of the screens for the Anderson storm doors protected in the closet here. Plenty of space. So this closet runs the whole length of this wall. It's amazing. Back here you've got your 40-gallon hot water heater. We like to give everybody a separate little door so that you can have easy access, but you really never need to go in there, so it's perfect to have behind the door. Oh, don't forget you can set up your television here, relax, sit in bed, enjoy the movies, the game, whatever it is that you like. We have this house cable ready in 3 locations, in each of the bedrooms and of course in the living room. So let's go back out to the kitchen. The lot fee here is $580. That includes your water and your sewer. I really love this house. It is extremely comforting and cozy to be here. Everybody's been raving about this house, and we want to have you guys come and enjoy it. So give us a call at 609-641-1444 or email me at info@dolanhomes.com. I'd love to have you come and see it. We have 14 pre-qualifying questions so that we make sure that we're meeting your time and our time and being really efficient. So it's $59,000. It's 10% down payment. You have to have a credit score of 650 or higher, and no debt to income higher than 43%. However, we'll give everybody a resident application so you can all apply. So come check it out and let us know what you think. We have 4 finance companies that can help you out, and we'll give you them as a resource. We're not connected with them in any way, but we're happy to help you out. This is a magnificent manufactured home in Harbor Crossings manufactured home community waiting just for you.